my way to look at a job. Just going to check the progress of it. And I'm taking you guys with me. So I'm heading up to Boca. And yeah, I'm going to see what's going on. You know, I do those pop-ups and just to check the progress. See how, see how the guys are working. See how the work is coming out. So I will show you guys. I will certainly post the before pictures before they demoed. Yeah, so I am going to update you guys today, and feel free to check out the other videos. I do have another project in Boynton Beach that we're working on, and I did post a video of the beginning of the project. So I will update you on that project as well. So yeah, it's the summer and it's a lot going on, and I'm just gonna give you guys a lot of updates until the end of the project. All right, so I am heading on that highway. I will see you guys in just a few minutes.
Feet, turn right onto Saturnia Lakes Drive.
So I'm going to check on this project here in Boca. Just waiting to get through the security gate. Can't wait to see it. I'm actually going to see it for the first time since the job has started. Since they demo and started the floor and cut out the kitchen, took all the cabinets out. But cabinets are going in today. So I'm coming to see what the floor is looking like. I'm excited to see. I'm always proud of my guys. They always do a great job. And I'm gonna see what it looks like now that it's ready for the cabinets. So we're supposed to be getting a cabinet shipment today. All right, so I am going in. Thank you. You too. All right, so I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. For more updates, please follow, share, subscribe, and tune in for more updates on this wonderful kitchen. See ya.